Good morning, students. Today we are starting chapter 10 Rocks and Minerals from our science book. So, rocks are all around us. You can see rocks inside your house, in your yard, on your street, on a country road. Everywhere you look, statue, chalk, marble, pencil, lead, bricks, the wall of your room, mountains, pebbles, soil, a volcano are all rocks. No matter where you are always close to the rocks and minerals. So, scientists generally classify rocks by how they were made or formed. There are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and the metamorphic rocks. So, first we will discuss about the igneous rocks. Igneous rock. All rocks on the earth were initially igneous in nature. Igneous rocks are formed from the melted rocks that has cooled and solidified. When rocks are buried deep within the earth, they melt because of high pressure and temperature. The molten rocks called magma. So the types of igneous rocks, there are four types of igneous rocks. Granite. First one is granite. First one is granite. Granite is the oldest and most common igneous rocks on the Earth's surface. It is the color of granite is white to grey and pink to red. It is strong and durable rock and can be easily polished. Now, after the granite, we will discuss about the second type of igneous rock is basalt. This one. The second type of igneous rock is basalt. So, basalt is greenish grey and black colored, fine grained igneous rock. It is the Earth's most abundant rock. It is most commonly crushed for use as an aggregate in construction project. So, the basalt is mostly used for the construction project. Now, third one is obsidian. Obsidian is another igneous rock. It is fine grained and glossy. It looks almost like black glass. Because of its sharp edge, it is used to make cutting tools in a variety of shapes, beads and jewelry. Next one is pumic. So, pumic is a light colored igneous rock. Normally, this porous rocks is light brown or greyish in color. It is in light brown or greyish in color. Pumic is mostly used to soften and smoothen rough. It is also used to remove excess hair from legs, arms and other sensitive areas of the body. So, after the pumic, the second type of rock is sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock are formed at the surface of the earth, either in water or on land. They are layered accumulation of sediments, fragments of rocks, minerals or animals or plant materials. So, sedimentary rocks are forming around us all the time. The example of sedimentary rocks, that means the type of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, conglomerate. Here are the type of sedimentary rocks. First one is sandstone, second one is conglomerate, and third is limestone, and fourth is shale. So, first one is sandstone. This is the sandstone. So, sandstone is common sedimentary rock formed from cemented sand-sized clast. Sandstone may be white, grey, yellow, brown, pink, and red. And the Red Fort is in Delhi is made up of red sandstone. Second is conglomerate stone. So conglomerate is a sedimentary rock of even texture. This one. Is even in rock of uneven texture. It is not a very useful rock. This rock is not very useful, but poorly cemented types may be crushed to make aggregate for concrete manufacture. Next one is limestone. Limestone is a sedimentary rock composed primarily of calcium carbonate in the form of mineral calcite. Calcite was once a part of animal shell. It is mostly white, grey, and buff to black and red. Chalk is also a type of limestone. The next one is the shale. The shale is fine-grained sedimentary rock that formed from the compaction of silt and clay size mineral particles that we commonly called mud. Because of clay content, it is used to make tiles and bricks. This is grey in color. Metamorphic rocks. So, third type of rock is metamorphic rock. So, metamorphic rock formed when igneous and sedimentary rocks that have been buried deep inside the undergo changes due to the intense heat. The word metamorphic itself means to undergo a change in form. So the types of metamorphic rocks are marble, gneiss, and quartzite. The three types of metamorphic rocks. The first one is marble. First one is slate. First one is slate. The type of metamorphic rock is slate. Slate is metamorphic rock which is formed when fine-grained sedimentary rocks shell is buried and exposed to high pressure deep beneath the earth's surface. Chalk, board are made of slates. Slate is also used for roofs of houses and stone walls. The next one is marble. Next one is marble. Marble is a metamorphic rock formed when limestone is exposed to high temperature and pressure. It is many colored, often mixed. White marble is most common. So marble is used as building stone for building facing, paving, etc. It is also used to make tabletops, statues, and decorative pieces, etc. So next one is gneiss. Next one is gneiss. So gneiss is a high-grade metamorphic rock. It is formed by the metamorphosis of granite or sedimentary rocks. Its color is grey and pink to black and red. Gneiss is used as building stone for building facing, paving, etc. And the next one is quartzite. The last one is the last one is the quartzite. The quartzite is a metamorphic rock formed when quartz rich sandstone has been exposed to high temperature and pressure. It is massive, hard and often glassy. Rocks crystals are used to making lenses for some microscopes and telescopes. So today we studied about the three types of rocks, and in the next part we will study about the minerals. Okay, good day students.